Hello fellow photographers and videographers, it's Oren and I've got a 2-minute tip today for you, so why don't we get started? 2 minutes on the clock. Alright, if you get Amazon Fresh, or if a neighbor does and you can grab one of these boxes, they come in quite handy as soft boxes. It just takes a sharp tool and I can show you how to do it. So all you need is a little utility knife and one that I've already cut up. I could show you what to do. So this one, there's 2 holes in the long side, so you could put a light either here closer to the subject or down here further away and light up your background, or both. And on the inside I put some black foam core and I put another hole on the front over here so you could shoot the long way, get a deeper background over there. And all you need to do is grab a favorite panel light. This one will do, and it fits right on top like so. Or if you've closed your lid and want to do it the top way, you could do it like so. There you go. And then you shoot inside there. And you can put different stuff at the bottom to give yourself different backgrounds to work with. For example, I have this white piece of plastic and I also have a black piece of plastic that I got from the local plastic store. They're pretty cheap. So you can slice a hole in the bottom and just slip them through the bottom or the side, either way, and you get a great little lighting setup for macro photography. So I think I did it in under 2 minutes. I'll show you some photos of the results I got and go to it.